hot, you guys. I am burning up. Probably not the best outfit for today. It's so hot. I'm heading out now. I'm gonna spend the weekend with my family, so I'm gonna drive over there. First I'm gonna pick up my sister, and then we'll head over to their house, and yeah, I'll be there. So I just wanted to take you guys along with me this weekend. I have my book bag over here all packed. I actually need to grab my phone. I have my breakfast to go because I really wasn't that hungry, so I took it with me. That's my makeup bag, all of that you saw I packed earlier. And that's some clothes I'm taking. And then I have my personal bag over here, my hydro flask, and my keys. Okay, it's too hot. Let's go.
For indirect financial interest in products or services for most of shit, man. And I'm very lucky. Yes, 100%.
We just got done doing our little shopping at Trader Joe's, and we're gonna try these macaroons. I think this might be the salted caramel. You like it? Mm-hmm. This one's really good too. This is the coconut. Okay, it's not focusing. They're so good. And it tells you all the flavors. Oh, the one that I tried was the apricot. No, actually it was the salted caramel. They're so good. Yesterday, my sister and I had to stop at Trader Joe's. I really needed a new sunscreen because mine is pretty much out. I've tried other sunscreens so far. The only ones that I've liked are this one and the Good Molecules one. So I'm thinking of also getting that one and just alternating between the two. Wear your sunscreen. It's so important. I feel like I don't use that many products, but my little regimen has actually increased. Before, I used to only use hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, moisturizer, and sunscreen. So just basically 4 products. And then I started incorporating other ones, like this Snail Munson. This is so nice. I love how my skin feels, and it just leaves it looking really dewy. I also added a toner, which right now I'm using this toner, but I'm thinking of switching it out. We'll see. I'm trying to find a really good toner that I absolutely love. And then I have my hyaluronic acid and my vitamin C. I absolutely love using vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. These two I gotta have. Actually, it's not time for sunscreen yet. I got lost. What am I doing next? I was gonna do the hyaluronic acid first, and then I got distracted. Yesterday, my sister and I were supposed to go with some friends to the movies, and in the end we couldn't. And I overthink things so much. So the friend that invited us is someone I pretty much grew up with, and she's a lot younger than me, like almost 10 years younger than me. She invited us to go to the movies with some friends, and we ended up like not being able to go. And I felt the whole day I was like overthinking it, and I felt like I just disappointed her. And I thought about messaging her, but I'm like, she's like me, she's an overthinker, so I think she would understand. But at the same time, I'm like, then I would make it about me. And I would make the whole situation like about me. I felt like I'm not gonna go overboard with it. If you're not gonna do anything else do moisturizer and sunscreen. Okay, you gotta do your sunscreen. Thinking of doing some braids. I don't know. We'll see if they look good. Should I just pull it back and wear 2 pigtails? What do we think? Let me try. Or am I too old for pigtails? I'm 28. And people are starting to tell me that 28 is not young anymore. And I'm like, excuse me? I'm still young. I still feel very young. See, I'm doing pigtails. Like, how young do you think I feel? But if you are like in your early 20s or in your teens and you're watching me, then you probably do think I'm old, but you know, still young. I don't know. I don't know if I like this. I don't know if I even parted it like good. I don't think that I like how it looks. I can't even see because I don't have my glasses on. Okay, I must look like a kid right now. I like this better though. I'm having a little croissant and coffee moment. We got it from this place called PJ's Coffee of New Orleans. My sister got it for me. I have this strawberry and jelly one. It looks so good. It's good.
Strawberry and jelly.
Oh, not strawberry and jelly. Cream cheese and strawberry jelly. And then there's also a chocolate one. I really want the chocolate one. And we're sharing this one, and then the chocolate one is for me. The coffee's also really good. Let's try the chocolate one. That hit the spot. Ooh, this one's so good. I got my period yesterday, so of course I'm craving chocolate. And this is really doing it for me because it's so good. No, ahora que te acabaste el mío, you already finished mine. My sister got herself a coffee and she accidentally drank mine. This is hers and this is supposed to be mine. She's almost done with it.
It's stronger.
Yeah, no, you can keep drinking this one. I actually like yours better.
I actually like yours better.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, good. She's watching a K-drama and
No,
I'm over here watching
Chinese drama.
a Chinese drama, excuse me. And I'm over here watching like a YouTube video. It's been a few days. My sister made me some hot dogs. Well, made us some hot dogs. Actually, here are the hot dogs, and she's also preparing the buns. And she also made this avocado and tomato salad to like go on top of the hot dogs. And my family is watching a Korean drama, which they are obsessed with. I've been watching this one. I think it's called Dr. Cha, and it's pretty good. A lot of drama. So the buns got burnt a little bit. I was probably filming while they were getting burnt. I was literally filming them getting burnt. Oops. That happens sometimes. It's so good. I'm probably gonna have 2 of them. If you've never tried a hot dog wrapped around in bacon, you're missing out. Try it. It's so good. That's how we eat our hot dogs.
Darme a tu padre. ¡Eres una maldita! No vuelvas a provocarme.